On this DMG Mori machine CNC with the CELOS CNC actually, we're gonna see how to troubleshoot the alarm. For example, in this case the alarm is EX0570, and if you go to details you'll see we don't have any other description, but we do have the coil that is in the ladder program, that is M7443. Okay, so we're gonna check the ladder diagram. We can do this on the maintenance manuals, or the manuals actually, and here you have all the machine manuals. Then you can open then the ladder diagram, and here you can search for, I already have opened the keyboard. You can open the keyboard from here, this icon, and I'm gonna enter M7443 and hit enter. Here we have a contact. We need to check the coil, and the coil is right here. Okay, so we're missing the lubrication oil level, so it must be this signal, this input. And in the next video we're gonna see how to check the ladder diagram online. Okay.